today's session, the quadratic equation. In this session, we are going to learn about the word problem based on the quadratic equation, right? So, in the previous sessions, we are studied about the nature of the roots and how to solve the problems. In this session, I am going to explain you that the word problems, how to solve the word problems. In these word problems, there are varieties of word problems are there. Now, I am going to start with the simple one. Let us study faster and then we will go for complicated problems. Okay, now the first one is, if the sum of two natural numbers, if the sum of two natural numbers is 27 and their product is 182. Find the numbers. So this is the question. Now, in this question, see that if the sum of two natural numbers is 27, here they are not given the quadratic equation. So first we should frame the quadratic equation. So how to frame the quadratic equation? So what they asked, find the numbers. So here sum of two natural numbers is given. Sum of two natural number. Okay, so how to start this? So first let one number be x. Let us take one number be x. Then what the second number? Then according to statement, sum of two natural numbers. So in these two natural numbers, one number is x. Okay, now the second sum means here you can take x plus box. We don't know that second number, so equals 27. X plus box, that means the sum of two natural numbers is equal to 27. Now we want this box equals 27 minus x. So this is the second natural number. You can take it directly. See, this is the first problem. That's why I am showing you how to take the second natural number. Clear? So this is the way to take the second natural number. Now we got first number and second number. Now what is that? Sum of two natural numbers is 27. So use this one and find out the numbers. Then their product means second statement, x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Here the product is this. Now on multiplying this, we will get 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Clear? So this is 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Now I am continuing here. Now this is not the standard form, so make it a standard form. It becomes x square minus x shifted to that side and minus 27x. Here is plus 182 equals 0. See that x square minus 27x plus 182 is equal to 0. Now we got this a quadratic equation. Understood? Now after getting this quadratic equation, then you can solve this quadratic equation in any method. Okay, you know that factorization method, you know that formula method and completing square method, like that. So here first see that product is 182 and their sum is 27. So here 182 x square. So how to take that? Now 182, 2 nines are and 2 ones are. Then 91, 7 table, 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. Okay, now we got 7 twos are 14 and 13. 14 into 13 is 182 and here is x square minus 14x minus 13x. So both you can take it as 14x and minus 13x and adding minus 27x. So plus 182 equals 0. Now take the x common, x minus 14 minus 13 common, x minus 14 equals 0. Now x minus 14 is common, then left out is x minus 13 equals 0. Therefore x is equal to 14 is a one natural number and x is equal to 13 is another natural number. Right, if you are taking like the one number or the two natural numbers, two natural numbers are 13 and 14. 13 and 14. So this is the way of solving a quadratic equation, that means a statement problems. So first what? Read the question carefully. According to that, using that statement one by one, you write down the equation form. So first find the numbers. Let the number be x. Here is sum is given. I am taking like this. Then substitute the values. Then you will get the quadratic equation form. Once you got the quadratic equation, then you can solve that quadratic equation in any method. Clear? So this is a one statement problem. Okay, the second problem is the sum of the squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. Find the numbers. Given that sum of squares of two consecutive odd numbers is 394. Find the numbers. Now you know that consecutive numbers. Consecutive means, for example, natural number. Consecutive natural numbers, the difference between any two numbers is 1. In the same way, consecutive odd numbers, the difference between any two odd numbers is 2. Similarly, odd means even consecutive numbers, the difference is 2. Okay, based on that, the one number, let the two consecutive odd numbers are x and x plus 2. X and x plus 2. Two consecutive odd numbers. Clear? Now, statement. According to statement, So sum of the squares, that means x square plus x plus 2 whole square is equal to, you that 394. Now you got a equation form. Now again here this is x square plus here an expanding a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b equals 394. Now how many x squares? 2x squares plus 4 plus 2 to the 4x is equal to, or shift this 394 to this side, minus 394 equals 0. Now our equation is 2x square plus 4x minus 394 plus 4 is 390 equals 0. So here is a quadratic equation. Now look at this, 2, 4 and 390 are even numbers, so you can remove 2 common. So when you take a 2 common or divide by 2, we get x square plus 2x minus, so 2 1s are 2, 1, 2 9s are 18, 1, 2 5s are 10 equals 0. So here is the simplified quadratic equation. X square plus 2x minus 195 equals 0. Understood? Now see that the sum of the squares of two consecutive numbers. So we know that the two consecutive numbers are x and x plus 2. Why we should take plus 2? Because the difference between two consecutive number is 2. Two consecutive odd number is 2. So to get the next one, we should add 2. Okay. Now according to statement, this is the squares, sum of the squares of two numbers. These two numbers is 394. So here is expansion and here is the form and the standard one. Now the product is minus 195. Minus 195 x square. So here is plus. So you can take it as plus and minus. So 195. So go by 5. 5 3s are 15. 4 carry. 5 9s are 45. Then 3 1s are 3s are. Now the prime factors are 13, 3 and 5. Now look at this. 5 3s are 15. So 15x and 13x. So this is the way to find the factors. Now write down here x square plus 15x minus 13x minus 195 equals 0. And taking x common, x plus 15 minus 13 common, x plus 15 equals 0. Now x plus 15 common, left out is x minus 13 equals 0. Now x plus 15 equals 0. X is equal to minus 15. Now x minus 13 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 13. So here we got two numbers, right? So here the consecutive order numbers, squares. So when you take this one, so neglect the negative one, take the positive one. So the two numbers are, I am writing here, one is 13, right? So here you can take it. Therefore, the two consecutive odd numbers are 13 and 15. Even we can take this one. minus 15 and minus 13, because here we are taking the squares. Okay, when you are taking the squares, then it becomes plus. Minus 15 becomes plus 225, 13 becomes plus 169. Therefore, you can take it as 13 and 15. So, actually, this is a positive odd integer. When they ask the positive, then neglect the negative. If they simply ask find the two consecutive odd numbers, then you can take this. Clear? So, this is the second word problem. Now, let's take the third one. The sum of two natural numbers. The sum of two natural numbers is 9, and the sum of them and the sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 2. Find the numbers. Find the numbers. Now say this. The sum of two natural numbers is 9, and the sum of their reciprocals is 1 by 2. Find the numbers. See again here, the sum of two natural numbers. See the first problem, sum of two numbers. So let us take, let one natural number be x. Then second natural number is 9 minus x. Look at this. This is x and second is 9 minus x. Now these are the two natural numbers. When you add these two natural numbers, the sum is not given, but they are given the reciprocals. Okay, reciprocals of x equals 1 by x, 9 minus x equals 1 by 9 minus x. Now, according to statement, reciprocals, sum of their reciprocals. So 1 by x plus 1 by 9 minus x. This is given by 1 by 2. See, the reciprocals, sum of the reciprocals is this. Now take the LCM. So it becomes, first you can take these two, x of 9 minus x. So cross multiplication, 9 minus x plus x equals 1 by 2. Now minus 6 plus 6 get cancelled. Now on cross multiplying, 2 into 9 is 18 equals 1 into this. I am writing 1 square, 9 minus x. Now the equation is, look at this, 18 is equal to x into 9 minus x. Now 9x minus x square is equal to 18. Now standard form, x square minus 9x plus 18 equals 0. Now this is the standard form. Now after getting that equation, now what you can do is factors method. This is a simple one. So what is the number? Numbers are x square minus 6x minus 3x plus 18 equals 0. Take x common, x minus 6 minus 3 common, x minus 6 equals 0. So x minus 6 common, so left out is x minus 3 equals 0. Therefore x is equal to 6, one number, and x is equal to 3 is the another number. So when you take the x is equal to 6, okay, now here is 9 minus x. If you are taking x is equal to 6, another number is 3. Therefore the two natural numbers, two natural numbers are 3 and 6. 3 and 6. So this is a what? The third problem, means one type. Here they are given the reciprocals. So when they are given reciprocals, how to take that? See, number is x, its reciprocal is 1 by x. Number is 9 by x, its reciprocal is 1 by 9 by x. So in this statement problem, the important thing is how we should convert the statement in terms of equation. That is very, very important. So give attention to this, how we are converting this and the statement. After writing the statement, then you can do the problem or simplification and all. Clear? Now, one different questions. Here, I am taking the numerator of a fraction. The numerator of a fraction. Numerator of a fraction is 3 less than 3 less than its denominator. Its denominator. Full stop. If 2 is added, if 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator, then the sum of the two fraction, and original fraction is 29 by 20. 29 by 20. Find the original fraction. Full stop. Find the original, find the original fraction. See the problem. The numerator of a fraction is 3 less than its denominator. If 2 is added to both its numerator and denominator, then the sum of the two fraction and original fraction is 29 by 20. Find the original fraction. See the problem. So here what you can take it, let the denominator let the denominator of the required fraction be x. So here look at this, numerator of a fraction is 3 less than, so you can't take the numerator as x because numerator is comparing to denominator. So let us take the denominator of the fraction, required fraction be x. Then numerator becomes is 3 less than, so x minus 3. This is what the statement. Okay, see the numerator of a fraction is 3 less than the denominator. If 2 is added to both its numerator and denominator, first here is this one and this one. Now the original fraction is now numerator first x minus 3 and denominator is x. So this is the original fraction. Here now we got the original fraction. Solution. Now if 2 is added to both of its numerator and denominator, see here is the fraction, 2 is added to both, that means x minus 3 plus 2 by x plus 2. So when you add this, it becomes x minus 1 by x plus 2. So after adding numerator and denominator to 2, then simplify, minus 2 plus 2 means minus 3 plus 2 is minus 1 and this is 1. So this is the another fraction after adding 2 to both numerator and denominator. Now according to statement, see the sum of the two fractions. See here is one fraction and here is the second fraction. The sum of two fractions and original fraction is 29 by 20. So first I am writing this x minus 1 by x plus 2 plus original fraction is x minus 3 by x is equal to here 29 by 20. 29 by 20. Now, is this a quadratic equation form? No. First, simplify this. So, take the LCM. So, I am taking the LCM as x into x plus 2. When you are taking the product, then cross multiply. X into x minus 1 plus x minus 3 into x plus 2 equals 29 by 20. Now, on simplifying, x square minus x plus, here is x square plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 whole divided by x square plus 2x equals 29 by 20. Now here simplify x square plus x square. I am continuing here. X square plus x square is 2x square. Now minus 1x, minus 3x, minus 4x. Out of that plus 2x means minus 2x. Okay, then left out is minus 6 whole divided by, here is x square plus 2x. Here on the right hand side we have 29 by 20. Now cross multiply. 20 into 2, 40x square minus 40x minus 120 equals, now 29 into x square, 29x square plus 29 2s are 58x. See here, cross multiplication, 20 into these 3 will get this, 29 into these 2 is this. Now the standard form is, I am writing here, like this. Now 40x square minus 29x square. Shift to one side. Minus 40x and here is minus 58x and minus 120 equals 0. Now plus and minus, so subtract. 10 minus 9 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1, x square, 11x square. And here is minus 50, 40, 98x. Here is minus 120 equals 0. So here this is the quadratic equation form, right? So now here splitting the middle term, I am giving the direct one. So here is 110 into 12. 110 into 12. 11x square minus 110x plus 12x minus 120 equals 0. Now 11x common, x minus 11 tens are plus 12 common, x minus 10 equals 0. Now x minus 10 into 11x plus 12 equals 0. Now here x equals 10 and 11x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 12 by 11. So neglect this, take the x is equal to 10. So what is x? It is the denominator. So numerator is 3 less than that. Okay, so numerator is 10 minus 3 equals 7. Therefore, original fraction is 7 by 10. So this is the way of solving quadratic equation. That means statement problems. Understood?